Hopefully y'all can see this. Y'all. Hopefully the sound is alright too. Just got back from running some errands.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Thought I'd grab some footage or something. On this journey to better myself and my life, and I hope you guys are too. If you're watching this, hopefully you're getting some value out of the channel. Please keep coming back and share it with people that you feel could use some help. Definitely want to encourage you guys to keep pushing forward no matter what's going on. There's always something that's going to be in your way. There's always going to be friction. There's always going to be something. And I just feel like everybody could use that encouragement to just keep pushing forward no matter what. I know that in those hard moments, if you just keep pushing, things will work out and things will start picking up for you. Right now, there's a huge life change for me and my family, and we're going to push through it. And it's kind of nerve-wracking and scary a little bit, but things are going to work out. I'm going to push real hard. It will come together because I won't give up. With your goals, don't give up. You got this. Alright, time to go do some stuff, I guess. Weather's looking pretty crappy out today. Hopefully spring shows up soon. I'm done with winter. Alright then. Yeah, you know, gotta keep on keeping on. So, yeah, keep on keeping on.